Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Cece taking over Itsarockylife. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, hey. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So today we are dipping some strawberries. The colors are brown, regular chocolate, and green. So we're going for like a St. Patrick's type of vibe. These berries turned out very cute with the green and the regular brown chocolate. Very cute and very delicious. These strawberries were so sweet. So you see Miss Rocket dipping that strawberry, sitting it down on her parchment paper pan with the green. Yes, we used the what are those things called? The chocolate melts. It was already colored green, and the color is so bright and vibrant. Turned out really good. So she's just shaking it off, shaking that chocolate. I don't want to waste nothing. Oh, they got stuck. Stupid toothpicks. So what she did, she halved and halved the tuxedo. She did a tuxedo on a couple of them, and here she is just showing you how to do the tuxedo. Well, that's a half-cedo. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is when you do your first coat of chocolate, let that dry, and then whatever color you wanna do the tuxedo with, you dip it. I think she's gonna show. Dip it on the side like that, and then dip it on the opposite side. Same concept. Very easy. So now she's gonna drizzle some of that green on top of the brown. Well, now she's doing a little swirly swirl. I don't know what that's called, so we're gonna call it swirly swirl. She did the swirly swirl with the green. Very cute. So now she's doing a drizzle. Okay. Look at that. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Yep. Real easy. Drizzle with that chocolate. Very easy. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Put the chocolate on top of the green. Giving St. Patrick's. Leprechaun. And there go the little swivel again. I like how she moved fast. Some more drizzle on the half-cedo. And there you have it. That's the finishing look. Everything has been drizzled and decorated. So now it's gonna go into the refrigerator to set. She's adding some more drizzle on top of it. So yeah, guys, once you get done with everything, just put it in the fridge for a little bit so it can set and the chocolate will harden and everything will come out so good. Look at that. That looks so good. So pretty. And those strawberries were huge too. Sweet. Everything looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to Itsarockylife. We will be putting out more videos for you guys. More videos just like this. More tutorials.